Uh, I have already explained the first law. In this law, in this video, I am just going to explain about the second law of motion. Just let us recall about the first law of motion. The first law of motion indicates that when an unbalanced external force acts on a body, okay, it produces acceleration in the body. Means there is a change in the velocity of the body. There is a change in the velocity of the body. Now, in the second law of motion, how the acceleration of an object depends on the force applied to it and how we measure a force. Okay, that we'll study in the second law of motion. Means we'll study in the second law the measurement, how we can measure a force, and secondly, in what way the force produces an acceleration in the body. So in this section now, a small pebble cannot kill us, but a small bullet of the same mass will kill us. What is the reason? The reason is that its velocity. The impact of the bullet and the impact of the bullet is measured by its mass into its velocity. The mass, the product of mass and velocity together produces a great impact, and that will kill us, because a bullet has very small one it is here, so it will kill us because it has a very high velocity, and the impact that we feel on our body is due to the product of mass and velocity. Suppose a truck is standing somewhere, so that is not a matter of that is not a matter of seriousness. Suppose if the truck starts moving with small speed, for example 5 meters per hour, then that matters much it is here, because the impact produced by the truck due to its mass and velocity is much more. It can damage a lot, right? So the impact produced by an object depends on their mass and velocity. Sure. And the moment, and that is known as momentum. The impact, that impact which is produced by mass and into velocity is called the momentum. It is called, and the momentum p, small p, of an object is defined as the product of mass m and velocity v. You can write like this. It is here. So it is momentum is equal to m into v, like this, m into v, like this. P is a momentum, and m is the mass, and v is the velocity, right? The SI unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second. Kilogram meter per second, SI unit. SI unit of momentum. Momentum is kilogram meter per second. It is kilogram meter per second, like this. It is kilogram meter per second. It's okay. So since momentum has both magnitude and direction, so it is, you can say that it is a vector quantity. It's okay. And the second law, therefore the second law states that the rate of change of momentum of an object The rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of the force. So the rate of change of the momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of the force. So this is all about the second law, and uh, in the next video I will explain about the momentum and the formulation of second law of motion.